Hello learners, welcome to yet another episode of our virtual learning class. We'll be looking at mathematics today, and our strand for today is numbers and numerals. Okay, numbers and numerals. Our sub-strand is what? Multiplication. We started multiplication last week and we looked at how to multiply, why we multiply. Now let's look at our objective for today. We are learning to multiply two digit numbers in the vertical form. Okay, in the vertical form. And today what we'll be doing, we are not going to do regrouping. Okay, we'll be looking at only the short form, that is the vertical form. Let's look at some examples. Now we have 10 times 2. Okay, 10 multiplied by 2. Okay, now earlier on I told you that to multiply, if I write 10 plus 2, okay, it is the same as 2 times 2 plus 10. Okay, because 10 plus 2 is equal to what? 12. And we all know that 2 plus 10 is equal to what? 12. Okay, and I also explained that if I write 10 times 2, it is the same as 2 times 10. Okay, so 2 times 10 is what? Let's quickly look at that. So I have 2 times 10 or 10 times 2, and I said to answer this we did 2, 1, 2, okay, plus another 2, okay, plus 2, plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we said to do this, we are just, multiplication means adding the same number repeatedly. Okay, so let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, why is it 20? And I also told you that anytime you see 0 times a number, it is what? It is 0. Okay, it is what? 0. And any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. Okay, any number multiplied by 0 is what? 0. And a number multiplied by 1 is what? The same number. So if I multiply 0, initially what we did, we got what? We got 20. Okay, so we want to see if this is the same as what we did earlier on. So 0, we have 0 here, we have 2 here. So 2 times 0 is what? And we all know that a number multiplied by 0 is what? 0. So 2 times 0 is what? 0. Okay, and we also know that a number multiplied by 1 is what? The same number. So 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. So is it the same? Is it the same as adding the same number repeatedly? Yes, it's the same thing. Okay, it's the same thing. So you have 20 here, you have 20 here. Okay, let's look at example 2. Example 2 says 23. Okay, 23 multiplied by what? 2. Okay, we are multiplying 2 23 times. Okay, so let's quickly do that. We have 3. Okay, and we have 2 here. So we are multiplying these 2 first. Let's take the first 2 and the 3. So you have 2, 1, 2, plus 1, 2, plus 1, 2. How many times have we multiplied it? 3 times. We have the first one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's put all together and let's see if you get the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we get what? 6. Okay, and we have 2 multiplied by what? 2. Okay, 2 multiplied by what? 2. Okay, we have 1, 2. Okay, plus 1, 2. So we are adding this and this to get the answer for this and this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if we put this first 2 and the second 2 together, what are we getting? We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 is what? 4. I hope you understand. We said this 3, we are multiplying 2 3 times. Okay, we are multiplying 2 3 times. How do we multiply 2 3 times? You have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we are adding all these 3's, all these 2's. Okay, so if you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what do we get? If you put all the 2's together, we get what? 6. Okay, and if you multiply 2 by 2, what are we getting? We are putting these 2 and these 2 together. Okay, the same way if we have 2 and 5, okay, what we'll be doing is we'll be adding 2 5 times. So we do it 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but we are not doing this today. So quickly, let's look at another example. We have 32. Okay, we have 32 multiplied by what? 3. 32 multiplied by what? 3. Now the first one here is 2. And we are multiplying 3 2 times. Okay, we are multiplying 3 2 times. Okay, so let's do that. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and how many times are we multiplying it? 2. Okay, so we add another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's quickly count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 3 times 2 is what? 6. Okay, and always make sure your answer is under what you are multiplying. Okay, and we have 3 times what? 3. 3 times what? 3. Now we have the first one, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. And we are being asked to multiply it how many times? 3 times. So plus 1, 2, 3. Plus 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means we are multiplying it 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so let's count it together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. Okay, so 3 times 32 is equal to what? 93. Okay, is equal to 93. Okay, 96. Sorry. Okay, is equal to 96. Okay, let's look at example 4. Okay, which says 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3. Okay, now we have 3. 1, 2, 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so how many are we getting? We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you are getting 9. Okay, if you multiply 3 by itself, 3 times 3, we are getting what? 9. Okay, the same thing applies here. 3 times 3. Okay, so what do we get? We get 9. Okay, we have 9. Okay, so 33 times 3 is equal to what? 99. Okay, let's look at the very last one, which is 11 times 5. 11 times 5. Okay, so you are multiplying 11 5 times. Okay, so let's look at the first one. It says what? 1. Okay, 1. You are multiplying 5 by 1. So you have the first one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many times? You are multiplying it only once. Okay, so what should be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every number multiplied by 1 is equal to the same number. Don't forget. Okay, and the same way we have 5 and 1. Okay, so you are multiplying 5 times what? 1, which is what? 5. Okay, do not forget that any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the same number, and a number multiplied by 0 is equal to what? 0. Okay. Okay, till we meet next time, stay safe, be good children. Love you all. Bye.